Next time there's a sandwich in the fridge with somebody's name on it, don't eat it, scumbag.
Please, you don't understand.
Oh, I understand. That lunch didn't have your name on it, but this bullet does.
My name is Peter, too!
Hey, man, just a heads up. Instead of howling at the moon tonight, we're all gonna yell, cock-a-doodle-doo!
Really? That seems weird.
I'm just trying to make sure you don't look silly.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!